Welcome back, my fellow patriots, to the Save Our Republic Daily video series. Today is Super Bowl Sunday. It's actually a very sad day for me and my fellow Detroit Lions fans because we know that we are never going to be in the Super Bowl. But it is an amazing day in the sense that millions, and really I think it's over 1 billion people, are going to watch the Super Bowl from not just across the country, but from across the world. And it really draws a contrast between how much excitement there is for a game involving throwing a pigskin around and grown men beating each other up in very tactical, wonderfully ingenious ways versus the enthusiasm and love that we have for the Constitution. I'm stuck at this. I think that perhaps, I know I'm a very small minority in this, that I don't get all that excited about football anymore or any of the major sports for a whole host of reasons, although I will always love baseball and my beloved Detroit Tigers. But the level of enthusiasm and vigor and passion that sports brings out in people versus the Constitution, civics, politics. Now, there has been a rise in some passion in politics recently. There's no question about it. But that seems to be a very kind of guttural, base emotional, which is, I guess, very similar, if you think about it, to sports, as opposed to the informed passion and dialogue that we need. I think a lot of people tell me I'm very passionate about the Constitution, the Declaration of Independence, but I also know a lot about it, as opposed to some people that are involved in politics that really just have a very surface level. And there's a lot of reasons of why there is a surface level understanding, and I'm not going to belabor the point today, but I have a challenge for those of you that pay attention to this video series, and that is, let's get some ideas generated about how to make people more interested and impassioned about the Constitution. I don't expect that we'll get 1 billion people across the world to watch this video series or a lecture on the Constitution, but there must be something that we're missing. I'm doing what I can. We have Patriot Week. We have the Patriot Lessons, American History and Civics podcast. We have this video series, but clearly there needs to be some other kind of effort because although these are really important and I'm very excited that they exist, there must be other ways to reach forward to get people engaged. So my challenge to you is in the comments section and wherever you happen to be watching this, either on social media or on YouTube, please give some suggestions about how we can bring a Super Bowl-like enthusiasm to the Constitution. Until next time, don't forget about americasurvivalguide.com and my book, the Patriot Lessons, American History and Civics podcast, as well as patriotweek.org. And please like, subscribe, and share. God bless you, and God bless America.